Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks, and in this video I'm going to show you some of my latest little acquisitions, which are accessories. This is not all of them, this is just a very small amount, but the rest I've put in a box, so I'll have to sort them out and show them to you at a later date. But this is just a little one anyway. I have to pick that up in a minute. So I managed to find somewhere where I can buy Tulip, and up until recently that was the one thing eluding me, but here we are. I have some Tulip, and this little set, this is brilliant. This set, it comes with all of the hooks, and it also comes with a case that you can see on the other side. So it comes with these little scissors, darning needle, and a case for all the hooks, and it's got this little thing here is the zip. So that's beautiful, isn't it? And it's a kind of, it's a rose, tulip rose, and it's got a lovely rosy case that's with it. So that was one. And then I got a few of these. These are the Etimo gold, and again it comes with scissors. This one's two-tone. I do have one which I got somewhere else which was all silver, but this is the gold and silver. So it comes with their scissors, a tape, and darning needles, which you can barely see on this side, but again it comes with this case which is very shiny silver and grey. Can you see that? And that looks really, really nice. So it comes with its own case. So again, you've got like a whole set of hooks, and like I said, I've got two of them in that gold, but I did have some that were the other colour, but they were somewhere else. So then I got this little set, which again comes with a little case and these three hooks with that same little kind of case, only a smaller version. If you turn it over, it does still come with the measuring tape and darning needles. So that's pretty cool, little pack, and I got a couple of those. And this one, is it the same? No, this one, of course not. This one I was going to get this for me, but when I looked at it I thought I don't use all those sizes. So it's the new Tulip Red. Oh, I have no words. I just love this so much. I love this set. So this actually comes with a case, and it's got a few little bits and pieces in there, but it's got this scissors here is just a picture, an illustration, so it doesn't actually come with scissors this time. But honestly, I love this one. It's actually in a poly bag to protect the packaging, and I was a bit loath to get it out because I don't really want to damage it in any way. So that is the Tulip Red. That's quite an expensive one, a considered purchase, I would say. And these are pretty, and I like these a lot. And these are little knitting needle stoppers. So if you've got if you want to put it on the end of your knitting needles, one each end, you can use it to hold your stitches on. Or if you've got double points on your knitting needles, you can put it one end and it becomes a single point so that you can use it. And these are the, aren't they cute? And obviously they're tulip, and they are in the shape of tulips. Isn't that cool? Like those a lot. And then I got these various colours. These are knitting needle gauge sizes. They're a rainbow of colours. There's blue, there's green, navy blue, there's pink, and I want to say yellow, but I'm not sure absolutely whether it is yellow. And these are ring thimbles by Tulip. They are adjustable, so fit any finger. So that's that. And then I got this. This is my little pack of hooks. And so I did order more than I needed so that I could have some, but I didn't have as many as I thought I was going to. So there's lots, various sizes of the Tulip Red, which will be single hooks. So that's my little tulip haul, I guess. Although there are some more tulip things in my other my other order, but I keep them in their kind of consignments so that I can check them off, upload them, and then they can get put away anywhere and everywhere. Because if I don't do that, I won't know if they've sent me everything they're meant to have sent me. And you know, I did find a couple of times things weren't there when they said they were, and so I got credited for them. So that's my tulips, and there's mine in there with my clover soft touches. That used to be all the way along, but I can't find them. So obviously I needed more hooks. These are just the sizes that I tend to use. So I'm going to be using them very soon and giving them a trial run, as I've not used that particular one before. It's brand new. So what do you think? I like the tulips. So now for my shop, I have clovers, Knit Pro, and tulips. And out of the Knit Pro, I've got lots of different ones. So I have Quilted Bear, and well, quite a lot of different ones. I also have some, I thought I found some on the floor then, I didn't show you. I also, in my next one, I will show you, I've got some Tunisian hooks. So every base covered. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.